Right. So this bike, broken brake lever. Nothing to do. I was able to, obviously just step on it and get home. Not safe. Happens to you. You just need a quick fix, something to get you where you got to go. Definitely don't recommend it for long term, but just quick basic bolt. 1, 2, 3 washers. Little piece of rubber tubing. Optional. Nut. Take the bolt. Put 1 washer on it. We'll slide it through the hole that I drilled. Take second washer, slide it through the rubber tubing. I might have to pause it because sometimes this tubing is a little tight, which this one is. All right, got that hose slid over there. Take last washer, slide on there. Take your nut, cinch her down. Make sure she's all snug and tight. Let me see here.